We are going to building a module LED light controlled with IR sensor and remote. This is IR sensor that we have used. It has 3 pins. One is ground voltage and third for signal. This is ground pin that we have to connect on ground point. Second one is voltage pin that we have to connect on voltage point. And third pin that is shown here is signal pin that we have to connect on point 2. You can change according to your own code. Here is code. We have to include IR remote library in our Arduino controller, and this code will show you which button of your remote which command shows. We are going to upload this code. After uploading this code, when we execute and press any button on the remote, the button of that specific the code of that specific button will be shown on serial monitor. Here you can see I have pressed 2 buttons. This is the command code that we will use in our next code. Here's code to control LED, in which we will include library and point 2, and in point 8 we will connect this LED. LED is connected on point 8 and second is with ground of LED. Now below I have set the command 7 and command 15, that are 2 buttons I have selected. For that I will upload this code on Arduino. Now it is working fine. While I press, one button is for on and second one is for off. Thank you for watching.